Now, as enterprises build ever larger AI centers, data centers, how should we think about cost and sustainability, between energy and carbon? We're reading so much about how much energy the data centers are taking up. Could you talk a little bit more about that?
So when you think of such a technological asset as a strategic national critical infrastructure, you cannot but think about cost, sustainability, and risk. So on a cost perspective, we take pride in our accelerated compute, where it offers a significant advantage when you look at the total cost of ownership. When performance is measured per unit of useful work, not per server. Now, what we've done here is we've taken large spaces where you had thousands of racks of CPUs, and we replaced them with a much smaller physically unit. And on a total cost of ownership, it's such an advantage to have accelerated compute. When you look at sustainability, it's a modern data center has to be designed around efficiency and reuse. And this is what at the heart of Nvidia reference architecture. In the past, a certain task used to require hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of CPUs, general purpose compute. Now we have brought a parallel processing accelerated compute GPU, which replaces all this massive amount with a handful of amount. Now, what we're seeing also is automatically when you do this, the footprint is reduced on energy, on space, on. Now, when we look at the GPU energy consumption on a unit basis, you may think it consumes more than a traditional server. But when you look at what you're replacing in terms of quantity of old general purpose compute, it's significantly efficient and power efficient. Now, when you talk about risk and resilience, it's just like accelerated compute is running mission critical workload, right?
Right.
So resiliency and security are very essential to build up. And that's where Nvidia has built the AI factory to remain in your sovereign space, under your sovereign control, to process your sovereign data.